Oh. I guess if you want to film me opening, I'm going to open Miss Squid Game here.
Yay.
Young Hee. She's a remote-controlled Young Hee doll. Play red light, green light. And anyway. Keep forgetting to probably need scissors, but let's see if I can use my thumb. I'll just do this.
Clock with the face. Clock with the face. Ah!
Yeah, I got that clock with the face from a thrift store in Branson.
Yeah, that's got a Moxie-shaped little thing on the end of its head.
Yeah, I think that's where you hit the alarm. It's like an alarm clock. I don't know why everybody's got to use this awful tape. Oh, there we go. Okay. Get this girl out of the box. She was like $15 at Five Below store. I decided to get one for Christmas. And since the Squid Game 2 opens tomorrow, that's her. And she pretty. Say pretty. Alright. Be right back. I gotta get scissors.
Scissors. I can show you the clock with the face on it while she's doing that. Hold on real quick. I'm going to put you guys down so I can...
Don't do too long. People will get off my channel.
It's got different colored lights.
Oh, gosh. I don't know where the scissors are. Do you know?
It's got blue. It's got orange. Oh, it's happy! It just, yeah, it just like,
Smile. Oh,
yeah.
scissors on the table already.
Blue, purple, blue and green, and it makes static noises. Listen. Ain't that beautiful? Let me put it down. Are you done now? Are you ready?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I gotta get her out of the box so she can start doing her murdering spree. Got a whole new list of players coming. I think Mr. 456 is gonna warn everybody about you though. You're gonna be like, yeah, she kills people. You think you're just playing red light, green light, but no, you're getting killed. You're getting dead.
Oh, please be careful.
Oh, sorry. I don't want her to kill me in my sleep. Oh, it's one of those things where you gotta dial the feet off. Okay, there she is. Did she stand up?
Yeah.
Okay, how do I get this out? You ever seen one like this? How do you get that thing
I have
out?
no freaking idea.
What the heck, man? Why can't things just be used, just some plastic pieces to get stuff out? Do we have 2 double A's?
Yeah, there's a bunch. There's a big stack of them over there.
Okay.
So yeah.
How you supposed to get this out?
My lips, I got big.
Oh, I need a screwdriver.
Big red lips.
Freaking screwdriver. Do you
Really?
have a screwdriver?
They're probably back on the table.
On this table?
I don't know. They're either there or in that freaking junk drawer.
Oh, lordy.
Listen to Happy Mr. Clock that looks like Moxie with the... Its name is Moxie.
Its name is
Moxie.
What the hell did they use? Screw a freaking remote in there. Here. Okay, where's the batteries? They're still over here, right?
Yes.
Might as well put those in her too. We gotta see how he's coming away.
Oh my god!
Oh, he'll be alright. Okay. This yoga goat here, you might as well show saber-toothed kitty while we're at it. I put her on, I think. Yeah, she's got a glowing heart. Just like me. It's funny when she chatters her teeth.
Yes.
Let's see. Make a small screwdriver. Oh yeah, there it goes. Still. There we go. Okay. Alright, now that I got her out of her wretched box, let's see. Put these back. Oh, I gotta screw that too. Unscrew everything here.
I'm mimicking the sound of the clock. Look at its eyes.
Like this video,
yay!
it's not me doing it.
Look at its lovely eyes.
Okay, well, let me see.
I'm putting her over here in case she scares the heck out of me.
Yeah, it's young he. Alright.
I wonder what she does.
I don't know if does she have batteries that go in her too?
I don't see any.
Let's see.
Got screws under her feet though.
Okay, the green light button is the top button and the red light button is the bottom button in here. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, she takes batteries in her back.
Oh my god, we're idiots.
Yeah, I thought she was already alive or something, you know. Okay,
That's what I thought.
How do I do that?
What?
Oh,
Oh, her freaking dress comes off.
I gotta take your ass off, young man.
Oh
Sorry.
my god.
There, okay. Guess I need more AAA or AA batteries. I'm not
Chew.
one for reading full directions, I guess. Interesting. Okay, now that you have your batteries in, you should work. Oh shit! Sorry, I'm here. You gonna kill me in my sleep. All right. Let's see. Green light. It still ain't working.
Is there a switch?
I don't see one.
Oh shit. If you're broken, I swear.
She shouldn't be broken. Oh.
What?
There's a power on button on her under her skirt.
Oh my god. Of course there is.
You are so inconvenient, young he.
Will you work now?
I'm trying to see if her eyes come on.
Are they supposed to?
I don't know. Let me see. What the hell, man? Maybe the...
Great, it's fucking broken. That's great. We gotta return it back to Five Below.
She's supposed to turn her head around and shit. Power on and off. Pull out the battery box cover to access the on-off switch. Press the switch briefly to power on and hold it for 2 seconds to power off. 2. I was wondering if you have to have the dress back on it. That's nice, folks. I got a broken toy.
Oh my god.
Young-hee, you're a piece of crap. You're broken. Jeez. I guess I should have picked a different one. I picked one more towards the back. I don't know. I could just see if there's something I'm doing wrong, but it looks like I've tried to follow the instructions. I don't know. I don't know, anyway. That's bull crap. These are brand new batteries too. This should be fine. Let's see. I think. There we go.
Oh, I heard something.
Yeah.
You put them in wrong, you goober.
I did. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh well. Okay. Young-hee. I'm gonna turn the sound off on him. I can't hear.
Yeah, hold on.
Hear her here. Sorry for this awful video, you guys. Okay. Because I got the Pinkie Pie inflatable on too, so, but. Red light. Ooh. Ooh, her eyes are red.
Oh!
Creepy. Okay, well, I'm glad you're working, Young-hee. Alright.
Oh, yeah, the
Green
motors.
light. I can hear her say green light.
Does she have a volume switch?
You can't hardly hear her say
I
anything.
know!
You're a cheap piece of crap. She didn't like that. Oh well, that's her. I mean, whatever, Netflix. You could have gave us a better toy than this. I mean, she's cool looking, I suppose, and just for display or whatever. So you got like a timer or something.
I hear it.
But her volume sucks. I don't know. If any of you guys have got one of these and know what I'm doing or I'm doing something wrong, just let me know because you can't hear her for crap. Anyway, it was this cheap. It was just $15, so I guess that's good. Whatever. Oh, the ticking's coming from that.
No, it's not.
Are you sure? I guess it's coming from her. I'm wearing my Korea shirt just for you, dear. Okay. I'm gonna get you all. I'm just gonna have more fun with her just goofing off. Yeah. Oh.
Oh!
It's red light time, bitches. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna go. And Naruto says hello. Mochi says hello. Alright, you can end the video now.
Okay. Bye. How do you end this shit?
Hit the red button.
What red button?
The red button on there.
What? It's not red.
Did you not video anything the whole time?
Yeah, it's recording. It says 14 minutes.
Okay, okay, hit the square button and